Well, I'm here again, going for another run down to my mum's house. It's dry, very windy though. Yesterday Oggy went to the Raven, it's now the Sunday. He went there, meet the Motor F boys up, so he met them down there. I couldn't make it because the meet was at 11, I worked till 1. And he wanted to go out, some of them going for a ride today, meeting out at the Yonderman and that, but because I'm a pussy and there's a chance that it could rain, no, not for me.
Like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, getting loaded, can't control it, nigga, pass me the blood.
Roggy's gone to Northwich, go watch the wacky races down Castle Hill where they make like go-karts up and roll them down the hill and see who dies. But so just thought I'd nip up our broths. She wants me to order some stuff from Iceland, go and have a little trip down there. Just thought I'd bring you on some different roads and all, not gone the normal route. We were coming through Winsford way, because otherwise it's the same roads all the time. I don't think I've done too bad on me swearing yet, have I? I'm doing well. The lad's doing well. Yeah, we'll have a little run up there. I don't know where I go after. I've only got one battery in my GoPro. Not brought me power bank today. It's just more shit you got to have in your pocket, innit? So I've left that off. You can all have that. I know you enjoy them. Yeah, I watched a shit film last night on Netflix. He Never Died or something it's called. About some angel or something that's immortal. I'll take it, all angels are. But yeah, what a shit film, don't bother. Don't bother watching it. It was probably an hour and a half of my life wasted. Old Raven Inn, that's closed down. Didn't they? That was nearly closed down then. I was swerving in the middle of the road. So yeah, Oggy's not been happy with me today. He wanted to get out, go for a ride. He don't give a shit, he'll ride in all weather. But not Big Brother, oh no. Big Brother don't like wet. And if there's a chance of rain, I will not be out to play. So yeah, got up this morning, Deb's going to take a mum down Wales to a caravan, because we've got someone else renting it out tomorrow, so they're going down just to clean it and then coming back. So I thought, right, I'll nip up our broths, see her and my dad for a bit. Hopefully the rain will stay off. It's not give it, I don't think, today. Did do during the, like the middle of the week it gave rain, but now I've checked and it's dry all day, but it's quite windy. And I've just seen a lad in the baggiest pair of fucking joggy bottoms you could get. It's wonder he didn't take off. You're like one of them fucking wingsuits blowing around the prick. He had a Kevin and Perry hat on. Must have thought he was fucking Liam Gallagher or something. But yeah, I didn't have time to get my camera on, catch him. He would have known. He would have noticed me turning it on and calling him a twat, because that's what he looked like. Because I'm so judgmental, I really am. Cheers, Walter. But adjust these and all my levers, tilt them forward a bit when I can. I might do it when I get back, so they're not fucking so square. I'll get them tilted forward so it's comfier for me. She's got a big ass, hasn't she? Look at the size of that motherfucker. Flatten some grass that girl has. So I think we'll just ride around and take the piss out of people today on the way down to my mum's, because I'm fucking good at it, I really am. And don't get me wrong, people take the piss out of me, they'll probably be saying, look at this fat bastard riding this bike. He'd look cool if he was fucking 5 stone lighter. I know what they're saying. He's got headphones on, full size headphones. What a knobhead. Oh my god, I hate that. I fucking hate it. If you're one of them people that wear full-size headphones in the streets, get a fucking life, mate. Unless you sat at your computer listening to music or something, you don't need them. Get some fucking little buds that go in your ear. Unless, of course, you're doing it because you know you're a cunt and you want to look like one. In that case, you're doing the right thing. Keep wearing them. Going through Winsford Town Centre, or Overflow fucking Liverpool as we call it. Come on, change your Tories. As soon as I put my foot down, told you. Bastards. She getting her and she got fucking plates of food. I bet she's done a Sunday dinner for someone. And cut right up the middle of these. They fucking hate it, car drivers do, when you're on a bike and you're filtering. No, don't need to pull right up the middle. Why do you park right back there, the knobheads? Dickheads. I don't know what's going on with the world, I really don't. Where's he going? No Walter. Everyone's a Walter today. And if you don't know who Walter is, I'm sure there was like a film or something. I think it was called Walter. Ian McKellen played him, which was mentally retarded. I remember it when I was a kid. And all I remember is he used to eat porridge, which ain't a nice thing for a retarded person to eat porridge. They make a bloody mess, don't they? So it was that, and his mum died in the programme or film, and she died in bed, and he used to look after pigeons, and he let all the pigeons in the bedroom, they all shit on her, which I mean, I'm sure she didn't mind because she was dead, but Walter was happy enough spending time with his pigeons and his mum, wasn't he, at the same time? Wonder if he had his porridge in that. I can't remember, I'll have to watch that again, but yeah, I remember that. So everyone's a Walter today, a little bit retarded. Hey, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with being retarded. I've been retarded for years. I'm just better at eating porridge. Fucking tidier at eating porridge than Walter, that's all. It's the only difference between me and Walter. I can eat porridge neater. Just filled my bike up again. Quarter of a tank card this time. 21 quid odd on Super. 21.80 something, I think. Which, to be honest, it's 199.9 a litre. I was expecting it to be more today because, like I say, half a tank. I got 18.90 something in last week. So I was expecting about 25 quid at least, but yeah. Oh my god. Why am I so windy? Because I've just had a mocha. Deb went across shop, got us a mocha Costa. So I've had that, which is nice. I couldn't resist because I'm on one of my roads, aren't I? Chill out a bit now. Iceland to be ordering from you, mate. I will. You got your hazards on for you too.
A few moments later.
Oh, just left Broths, and once again she surprised me. Got down there, she's done some sage and onion, which is like an hot pot with belly pork in. Fucking beautiful. So I had a mouthful of that. I'll show you a little picture. I'll put a picture up now. Beautiful, proper nice stuff it is. That and a bit of brown sauce drenched all over top of it. But yeah, proper full up now. She's bloated me again. There's no way I'm going to get slim. No way. But yeah, very nice. So I'm heading back now. Heading back. I'll give her a FaceTime when I get home. Order her Iceland. She can go through a list with me. Big bug just squatted right on my visor then. Oh, he's got some in this. Oh, he is going some. Old Volkswagen driver. Slow it down. Might be like that. That's like, look. That fly that's squatted on my visor actually looks like bird shit. It's that big. An Iceland driver broke down. Oh, but holy shit's going fucking soft. Need a good cigarette, I do. That's what I need. I think I might want a poo and all. We'll let that bake. Let it bake for 10-15 minutes. We'll put it on gas mark 5. Don't know what temperature that'll be. We'll just let it bake away. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Hey Jude. Bet Oggy's got his little flag out now, waving at him going downhill. Wishing he was out on his bike. Still not had a perfect ride, has he? Hey? Still not had a perfect ride, the lad. Wonder if he'll ever get one. Oh, you fucking twat could have let me go. Fucking blonde bitch. And you, Rambo. Fucking John Rambo. Bloody wind is bad round here. Yeah, it's a bit windy, be going too fast this. I've got itchy nose. Let's get that up. Oh my god, it's windy. Blow that gale. Blowing me snozzle box off then. This could be the only time I ever get blown off. Oh yeah. Oh, blow me off, bitch. Blow me off. Oh. Hey up. That looks a very tall, thin bike, that. If he run into someone, he'd cut him in half with that. It's that fucking tall and thin. The fucking penny farthing the cunt. You're 80, you lot are. It's boring going slow on a bike. It really is. I'm not saying you have to go stupid on a bike, but for fuck's sake. On a road like this we're doing 45 mile an hour. 40 now. Just no need. One, it's a 50 mile an hour road, which it shouldn't be anyway, it should be 60. Why is everyone driving so slow? The fucking arseholes. Hope the front car has a blowout, rolls it. The one behind him goes into it, crushes him, and the rest just circle round, drive past them, fuck off, knobheads. That's what you get for driving slow. If I had like little machine guns on my bike, you know what I mean, I'd shoot the tyres out. I'd shoot the tyres out, work my way up shooting tyres out. Someone must have lost some hardboard there. It's not the weather to be carrying hardboard. Yeah, I've always wanted machine guns, like a fucking Bond bike I want, where I can just shoot knobheads off the road. But the braking here, oh, it's some church goer in it, that's why. Fucking praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. But he's so happy to have you as one of his children. Oh man. Look, it's only a 30, this are doing 37, these are. Quit your dancing, love, you ain't got a future in that. God, I'm a cunt, I am. No, let's get past these knobhands. Tease off a bit then. Fucking wind dragged me. Yeah. Slow shit down. Fucking air dragged me into the edge. Wind can have that back, you bastard. Have it back. Gotta be a window cleaner, this lad in front, hasn't he? Nobody needs that many fucking ladders. Or a professional burglar, maybe. Maybe he's one of them. They are in crew. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? Like Siogi driving that. With his joggies on back to front. Right, well let's get home and get our Broth's Iceland order done. My little love. Get her sorted, she's made up. She's only happy when she's buying shit. Like food shopping and shit. She loves it. Right, I'll see you again.